Alrighty, guys, I'm getting ready to try this again, guys. Y'all know the little hesitation or the little problem I ran into the other day when I went to the scrap yard. Look, see, somebody just added this. This is not secure, which means it's not under the ropes, which means I didn't put it here. Boy, these guys, I tell you the truth. Well, anyway, we about to go try it again, guys. Last time I went, it was on a Saturday. It's a holiday weekend, but it wasn't a holiday, and the place was freaking closed. All right, please stay. I don't need no accidents. I don't need no lawsuits. None of that. None of that's gonna go anywhere. But see where this come from. See, that's what I'm saying. People just, they just poor little JT. They just treat me any old kind of way. So guys, we gonna go. We're about to try it again. All right. So it's simple, guys. Stay tuned, man. I'll see y'all next time. I see y'all. I should be. Hopefully they open. In fact, I'm gonna call. But they open. Today is a typical Wednesday. They should be open. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Ooh, welcome back, guys. Yes, I'm trying this again. Y'all remember what happened to me Saturday? I came up way out here, went through all that trouble, guys, and the place was closed. Well, I played it smart this time. I called, and she said that they was open. In fact, let y'all hear the conversation. Anyway, yes, I called Saturday. It just didn't nobody answer. I didn't think the reason they not answering was because, how are we gonna do this? They loading up a truck to take scrap out. All right, he's coming. Oh. All right, guys, it's gonna be a wild day. Okay, my man got stuff. He hasn't even got on the scale yet. Alrighty then. What are we doing? See, let's see. I have no clue. Let me find out the procedure. Oh, look like I'm in hell. Oh, they're getting on the scale, getting weighed and coming off because they can't go around. Alrighty. Let me go ask her, what should I do? This is crazy. Hey, my truck is full of transmissions and engines that I can't pick off myself. So I need one of those small forklifts. But do I still got to get on the scale first? Oh, I do. Okay, so they getting on the scale and backing off. All right, kind of hectic today, all because of this truck. So I guess I'm after him. Oh, you next? You next? Oh, you ain't got to get on the thing? All right, so I'm going up next. All right, and then you go. All right, bro. All right, so that's how it's going down, guys. We got to get on the scale and then back off because we can't go all the way around. So y'all stay tuned. It's kind of hectic out here. We're going to get it, though. Hold tight. All right, guys, I got on the scale. They weighed it. Now it's time for me to get the petty stuff off so they can come with a forklift and get the big stuff off. All right, so y'all hold freaking tight. Hold on. on my radiators and my wheels. They just thought they got to get a forklift. I need to pull up some? Yeah, already been. Alright. Alright, my turn, guys. He's about to unload my truck. Alright, guys. He had me just throw what I can in the barrel. I'm pretty strong, dadgummit. So I was able to pick all that up and throw it over in there. Now he gonna come with the forklift. Hopefully he can just grab this the same way I put it on, guys. Remember, I used the forklift to go up under here and just slide it on the truck. So hopefully he can just grab the forklift and do his thing. All right, we're gonna see, y'all. Hold tight. Gotta get going, man. I got 3 more loads of this. Won't be today though. And look, guys, I dropped the Pentastar over there. Y'all see that Pentastar? That's mine. So I hope nobody try to steal my 3.6 Pentastar. Gen 1, guys. That's the Gen 1. That's the one with all the problems. So we don't have Pentastar issues no more. So don't be sitting on the fence wondering should you buy one. You should. We got them all under control. All right, where's the man with the forklift? You can bring your whole car up here. Where'd you go? After you done scrapped it down. Now think about this for a second, guys. Pull apart. I got a PT Cruiser at the house they about to come get. I ain't gonna get no more than $300 for it. Look, there go another one. I didn't know you can bring cars up here. If I bring the car up here, how much could I get? This is crazy. Oh, it can't be that much, guys. It have to be pennies because I promise you, if they know about pull apart buy cars, I guess it got to be running or have something in it. Like pull apart can't make no money off that car because there's nothing in it to sell. All right. So, but what is it? How much money you getting for? I'm gonna ask that lady for a whole damn car. Oh Lord, this is crazy. And by the way, where's this guy with this forklift? I got things to do, buddy. Y'all, hold tight. All right, there go the big truck, guys. So now, I guess he got a load. So now we can get on the scale and come all the way around. We couldn't before because of the truck. He got a load full of garbage. Y'all see that? Junk. Oh my goodness. I did not know junk could be worth something. So let me get this straight, guys. He's just gonna dump this damn car. I'm still waiting on the right here. Are you freaking serious? So this could be a car he found on the side of the road. It's some random. You don't need no title, no. You don't need no. You know how you sell a car to pull apart? You gotta have proof of registration to show you the owner. He could just been riding by and found this on the side of the road. And go, scrap. Oh, look at that motorcycle. Whoa, let me back up, guys. I don't shit the pop. All right, buddy, you can stop right there. Look at this fool. How far you gonna go? I cannot believe they're gonna let him drop this car right here. Wow. Whoa. Oh, so he's gonna pick it up and take it another level? Oh man. The depth of a car. Where is this damn? So he's just gonna let it drop and fall, huh? Guys, I'm really ready to go. Watching junk for the past. Oh no, is he gonna just let it fall? Oh, this guy's pretty sharp. See how he got that over the. This guy's pretty damn good. All right, buddy, I take back what I said about you. I thought he was gonna have it just sitting right there in the way. All right, this guy pretty good. Okay. Thompson Towing, guys. Y'all need a tow? Look him up. Look, he dropped that off. He ready to go. My man. All right, guys. Y'all see that? Y'all remember our discussion? Yeah, He having a hard time getting that cat converter over the finish line. Told you these places are. Y'all remember the discussion we heard Sunday?
Hello?
So.
You go into the back, you want me to make you a spot?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna clear you away.
I don't have a whole lot.
A whole lot?
No.
Oh, you don't have a whole lot?
No.
You just want to dump that stuff. Alright, hold on, I'll put you through there.
Man, we don't know what to do. Wow, guys, they're taking pictures. All right, here you come, guys. Man, just slide under there and do your thing, bro. Look like he gonna fall. Yeah, just slide under there. Let's see how good this guy is. Get it, baby, get it, baby, get it. Oh. There you go. Look at that truck lift up. Come on back, baby. Uh-oh. Oh, we're gonna lose that engine. Who cares? Yeah, he gonna lose that engine. I don't care, it's gone. What are you gonna do? Try to pick it up from there? Ah! Oh, you gonna get the rest? That's open too wide. Yeah, that's open too wide. Oh, all right. Take it away! Get it out of my life. Oh! That's freaking good. All right, so much for that and that. I'm done. I'm getting back on the scale. Oh, it done ripped off my damn thing. I'm suing. All right, I'll see y'all. Hey, what we got here, guys? I'll show y'all in a minute. All right, I don't mind showing y'all. Y'all cool with me, but I'm just happy to be gone. Okay, where we at? Open up. And ladies and gentlemen, oh, that 260, that is 265. That's one of my biggest hauls, guys. Empty truck means another load. Guys, that's all I have, man. I've been on here too long. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.